Welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the GTA San Andreas Netflix edition on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in GTA San Andreas Netflix and begin your search. Once you find the application, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the game on your device. Just wait until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the play button. You can now tap on the play button to open up the game on your device right away. And now you can start enjoying the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.